Can you work in VR with the Quest 3? That is probably what you've been asking yourself. And I can tell you, yes, you can. And it's free and absolutely amazing. In this video, I'm going to show you Fluid, a new app that will simply allow you to work in VR in your Quest 3 for free. And wow, I'm simply blown away by what I see here. So absolutely stay tuned, watch the whole video because all of this goodness is coming up. Before we get into it, I would like to thank the sponsor of today's video, VRROC. VRROC offers lens inserts for the Quest 3 that are based on your eyesight prescription, so never wear glasses in VR anymore. If you use code MRTV at checkout, you can get the click-in-ones for only $39. And if you want even more, if you want to use that with your partner, then you can go for the magnetic lens inserts, which will make switching the lenses a breeze. So go to vrrock.com, type in code MRTV at checkout, enjoy 10% discount, and get the VRROC lens inserts for the Quest 3. So thanks again, VRROC, for sponsoring this video, and now let's get into it. I'm so glad that you're back. My name is Sebastian, and if you're excited about VR and the Quest 3, then absolutely subscribe to this channel and click on the bell button so that you don't miss anything. Yeah, I'm here in the Quest 3 and I'm using Fluid, a new app that will allow you to work in VR or do anything actually that you can do in the web. And a shout out to Todd from Q2C Gamer who showed us that on Twitter. So it is a free app. You can get it from App Lab. I'm going to put the link down in the description of this video. And I'm pretty excited about it. So other than immersed, you're not showing your own desktop. You can simply open up new browser windows and everything lives in this app. Yeah, so basically you simply bring your Quest 3, a Bluetooth keyboard. You don't even need it. You could also just use the virtual one, but with a Bluetooth keyboard, it's better. And yeah, a mouse, a Bluetooth mouse. The keyboard and the mouse are connected to my Quest 3. And yeah, I can now write an email to myself. Hello, Seb. What's up? This is amazing. Yeah, and it works. It works so well. And I have now like this huge canvas, right? So these screens are huge. They are way bigger than my real screen, my real monitor, right? And also, like, again, I'm not limited to sitting here in my office, right? I could sit in a cafe, in a coffee shop, or I could sit in the train or in the airplane if I have internet and simply do this. This is really cool. This is really cool. And this is all based on Chromium, so your web apps will work, right? So this is Discord, which simply runs the web version. And yeah, hello there. So this works just so well. And I love it that you have this pass-through in this area here. So you can simply see your keyboard, and thanks to the pass-through in the Quest, which is, yeah, pretty good enough, I can simply see my keyboard and work with this. That's great. And I could also just change this area here where the pass-through is, right? If my keyboard is somewhere else, I don't know, higher or what, I could simply put this pass-through in another place, and this works really well. Yeah, perfect. And I can, yeah, also like turn off this thing if I don't need the pass-through, right? So this is really cool and very nice. Like, I am really shocked how good this is. So what can I do? I can, so I'm using my real mouse, right? It's connected to the Quest 3, and I can totally resize those windows just as I want to do it. If I want like a longer window or what. And I can also actually like reposition them here just with my mouse. If I just want to work with a mouse, but I could also just use my hands and do that. So I could also, I could also control it, like not with my mouse, but now it's set to mouse. So here, let me show you. Here's the menu, and the menu lives in my hand, which is cool. Wow, I'm really, really excited about this, by the way. I hope you feel that. So let's have a look around. Let's start a new browser window. So here, just like that. Here, make a tab, enable pass-through, give feedback, settings, control mode. Okay, so now my control mode is mouse. That's why I couldn't really just use my hands to resize the window just now. And I can also choose different environments. Yeah, we will check out the environments in a moment. But let me just make a new tab first. So that's how easy I made a new tab. And now here I am here. Okay. So what do I put there? Oh, why don't we do twitter.com, and boom, here we are. By the way, I'm German. That's why this is in German. VR Panda, hi. Jose, hi. You are featured here. Nici, hi. Ben, wow, all the good people here. Zim, wow, my Twitter feed is amazing. Hi, Zim. Yeah, so shout out to all these amazing people. You see how much fun I'm having on my Twitter. It's very well curated, as you can tell. Yeah, so very cool. Very much loving this, and it's fantastic. Just bring my Quest, bring probably a smaller Bluetooth keyboard, right? This is a bit big, but this is a cool keyboard. I love this keyboard. And yeah, you can do all these amazing things, and I can really work. Actually, just before I made this video, I was actually working. I was actually writing an email, and I would normally, use my computer, of course. But no, I use this now, and it worked just perfectly fine. I have several keyboards, so this is now my dedicated Quest keyboard, and I can always simply write emails and do all the good stuff here. Yeah, see how fast I can type. Thumbs up for my typing skills. Yeah, you had to sit through this now. Yeah. So really cool. Fascinating. Absolutely amazing. So yeah, so these buttons, I would really click them just like this, and then a new window opens, and probably I can even play some Xbox. Yeah. Cloud gaming, noise. Yeah, wow, this is cool. I could do cloud gaming if I want. Yeah, why not? I can also connect my Bluetooth controller to this, right? Wow, wow. Wow, I like it. I really like it. So these buttons, I can configure what's there, right? So yeah, well, I don't really use Spotify, for example, so I would probably put Tidal there. I'm using Tidal. So yeah, Slack, I don't use it. So a very nice bookmark bar directly here in front of me. Huh, fantastic. Yeah, nice. So I showed you, did I show everything now? I can put more windows, I can resize them, put them anywhere I want. This I showed you, right? Can use apps like the Discord app, Twitter, or whatever I want. My mouse is connected to my keyboard, my Bluetooth keyboard, my mouse, exactly. It's free. On App Lab, I'm going to put this link into the description of this video. And now, why don't we have a look at the environments? What can I do here, by the way? I don't know. I can make it smaller. Okay, I can make the size smaller. Oh, wow. Nice. This is so cool. This is so cool. So why don't I now... Let's have a look at the environments. Environments. Okay. So now, okay, the environments. Let's see. Cabin. I'm now using cabin. So cabin. Okay. Let me close those windows. This window, I will need it. Let's close this window now, so we can better see that. Discord, yeah. Twitter. Yeah. Let's also close this window. Come on. So I'm ready. yeah, this is the cabin. And honestly speaking, I like it much more than my normal pass-through, right? Of course, I could simply put the pass-through and then I would see my window, my studio here. No, I don't want it. It's too small. So I'd rather sit here in this majestic cabin. Wow. Seems like I have to make a few more videos until I can afford the real thing. But for now, actually, I'm fine with the virtual one. What is this here? There's a button or what? Oh, cool. I can even change what I see here. Nice. So let's see another environment. Let's see apartment. I'm ready. Okay, yeah. Yeah, the cabin is nicer, right? Would you agree with me on my assessment? Yes. Don't need that. How about what else do they have? The void? No. Okay, I can work on the moon. No. I'd rather not work on the moon. I'd rather work in the cabin. Yeah, this is it. This is gonna be my working place. So cool. Wow, I really love it. I really love it. Yeah. So check it out. You can download it for free on AppLab. Again, the link is down in the description. Do let me know if you like it as much as I do. And yeah, do let me know in the comment section about it. Do you agree with me that this video deserves a thumbs up and the app for sure itself? So I'm going to work here now for my browser-based tasks. I will work here. And again, yes, you can work in the Quest 3. The resolution is good enough. I have no problems really to work. Let's open this up again. Let's make a new tab. So I have no problems whatsoever to work here, and the size is, yeah, it's just right. And I can bring it closer if I want. Wow. Fascinating. Really cool. Yeah, so working in the Quest 3, thumbs up. I absolutely hope that you enjoyed this video. And think about the thumbs up. I'm looking forward to meet you in the comment section, and do let me know. Are you ready to work in VR now with this? Are you going to check it out? What are your thoughts? And if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, absolutely do that now and click on the bell button so that you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. And I'm looking forward to see you in the Discord server. Link also down in the description and in the next video. Until then, bye-bye.